What's up, guys? Today I am going to take you through how to open our YouTube channel, like create a YouTube channel. You might be aware, that you can make money, you can do sort of things through YouTube by uploading videos and all this stuff. So today I'm going to walk you through step-by-step guide of how to create a new YouTube channel. So follow me till the end, as I'm going to release every tactics to build your YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours as YouTube requested for you to partner, so that you'll be able to monetize your YouTube channel, get money, make money through your YouTube channel. So here I am on my web browser. So having logged into youtube.com, you come to the right side of your screen here, you see something like sign in. So you sign in. Right here I have an account, that is my Google account, but I'm not willing to use this because I have a YouTube channel there already. So let's start from scratch. So I've entered my Gmail. So here I need to enter my password. One password. We are getting there. So now not now. Okay, we are getting there. So after signing your Google account, you are going to be taken back to YouTube page like this. Okay, so you have signed in already. You see that here it shows that an account was there, which is bright@gmail.com. So in short, you have to have a Google account to create a Facebook account. To create a YouTube channel. I'm sorry. So here you click on create channel. So for tests, so I'm going to start naming my channel now. Let's use Techybright for instance. So we are creating the channel. You will be able to upload pictures once your pictures is ready. So boom, you've created a YouTube channel, just fast approach. So right now I'm going to walk you through how to go about customize your channel, putting up simple SEO which will enable your video to rank on posting it or uploading it on Google, on YouTube. So the content will be automatically optimized on Google as well, as long as your SEO is improving on YouTube. So let's get started. So this date we join. Now customize your channel. Welcome to YouTube Studios. Here you can do any kind of magic. So the first page here is to set up your stuff. Let me start from here. Trailers for people who haven't subscribed. So here you'll be able to add like 4 seconds video trailers to entice new viewers. Like when you are your video is being promoted by YouTube to new viewers, these are the videos that they will be seeing. So just 4 to 5 seconds video. Alright, I go to branding here. So here you'll be able to upload the pictures, the channel image. Here you'll be able to upload the banner for the channel. The banner will be placed in a white screen at the background of the channel picture. Here watermark. This is a kind of logo that YouTube places on your video immediately you uploaded it. So creating your logo, you just come here to upload your YouTube channel to your YouTube channel. That is that about this branding information. So basic. Here you will tell your viewers almost everything that your channel is discussing about. So which means if I'm seeing your channel for the first time, boom, I'll know that okay, this is what this person was offering as a service on this channel. So they'll be able to take a decision. I mean, important decision like subscribing, decide to watch your video once they see that the content you are posting is related to what they need. So here is very important, and you have to include as much as SEO keywords as possible. Like if you're in technique, creating video on websites, on technology, you have to insert those important keywords in. So after that, editing all the stuff here, your email address, which will be confirmed. So the publish button will become red, then you'll be able to click it. Bam. Alright, let's move forward. Let's move to customization. Okay, so to upload your video, you will click here, create, upload. So uploading your video, we upload the video from your personal computer, then you follow the whole step, the whole process over there. Here, monetization. So going with YouTube channel to go as a partner, so that you will be eligible to make money through the video you upload on YouTube. As long as they are being consumed, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. and 4,000 public watch hour. So in the end of this video, I promise to 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 walk you through step by step on how to promote your YouTube channel for free. So you are going to join community on social media such as Facebook, that is community related to what your what community related to what content you have been uploading on your YouTube channel. So you will contact the admin there for authorization, like contacting them, hey bro, I have this important video for people in this community. I'm going to seek permission to be posting the link here, because some group, if you post YouTube link like that, they didn't get approval, but some do. But it is very okay and professional to contact the Facebook admin or the owner of the group first. So once you are able to secure the permission from the admin, you won't get any issue posting video on there. Thank you for watching this video. We will be uploading a very important video that will help you into this channel. Please click on the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.